He's cleaning out the inside. He's pulling out. Ugh. Intestines is a bone.
Why good? Why uso na ay? Why uso?
Delay lang na. Why delay lang.
Right. Fruitful day for the fishermen here at Santa Sofia. It's going to bring in maybe 200, 250 pesos per kilo. So you can always pick out some corals and shells. Some typical shells and corals that you'll come across. Hard to pull out. Are like used for yellowfin bait, those organs. So we had to cut down a couple of coconut trees that were leaning towards the house. Unfortunately, we didn't want to take any chances of strong wind blowing them down and causing some damage. So we hired some local folks to do the cutting. It needs to get cut. It's kind of leaning towards the house. We first got to move this boat. Hey. Before the trunk could be cut, the branches had to be cut first. It's amazing how this guy just easily climbs up the tree. So we'll be saving some of these coconuts to make desserts and drinks for later. Ciao! Kabado may
Ang mga lubi pag-gather na lang sa lubi diri, kuan, net.
Here we're cutting the ubud piece from the coconut tree, which is the pith of the palm, and they make for a great, crunchy, sweet-tasting snack. It's a little crunchy. And it still tastes like coconut.
Ano, di nakatry ka?
Yeah. Here, try.
Dili niya mo.
Oh, but man ko na to. Ah, saman.
Meron pa niya sabot nga yun. Ang tamis.
All of the coconuts that we collected before we cut down the 2 trees. Amulutit matamis nga juice. Kumahom.
Salad ang sa
So it's time to prepare the boat for some sightseeing, island hopping, fishing, and some fun stuff. The boat's around 26 feet long, can accommodate perhaps 6 or up to 7 people, depending on size. Whoops. Sorry. So we have Kuya Jay here, who's doing the paint work for us. And then before applying the paint, we'll use the same color scheme for the most part. The katig, which are these ends here, will be blue, and then the arms will be white. So Kuya Jay here does a lot of tattoo work here at Padre Burgos, and he also paints boats. So Jay, how long have you been doing this kind of work?
4 years.
4 years?
Doing the lettering job. Painting.
Painting and tattooing. You just taught yourself?
Yeah. Self-taught.
Wow.
Self-taught artist.
Yeah.
Maybe I inherited from my uncle.
Oh yeah?
He's a local artist here.
Oh yeah? What kind of work, what kind of artwork does he do?
He does the signage job, like painting also.
Okay.
And then other stuff like making some art.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have Esmar here, my good friend Esmar. Came by to visit. He was just telling me about his shark experience near here. I didn't know they came close. Hirani? Around where the buoy is, or mas harayo pa? Oh my gosh, ano ka dakwan dorsal fin? That's not good. Yun ano man niyo?
Oh, kinita lang naman.
Okay. That's kind of scary. I snorkel here all the time. So there's sharks here that come by.
Dito lalawag nga, dapit.
Over there?
At bangin, guard house.
Ranin na itong ano eh. So today is July 25. Fiesta here in Padre Burgos. Look who's waiting for their lunch. You can't wait, huh? Mommy's preparing for lunch. Yeah. There goes one bowl for each. Let's see who finishes first. Allah, Allah. They're off to the races. I think my money's on Zeus. Just about done with his bowl. Rhonda, you eat slow. Come on, need some practice. And the winner is Zeus. Still hungry, huh, Zeus? Well, Rhonda finished most of it, and Zeus is cleaning up. The rope bags coming in from Mindanao. So let's go check in on Jay to see where he's at. So this side is still hasn't been started on the logo and lettering, but he's almost done on the other side. I was telling Jay that he's got a really natural gift, God-given gift, to be able to do this all by freehand. It's amazing. He's able to do this without any special tools other than his paintbrush made of what? Camel hair. Camel hair. Look at this work. Amazing. He did a three-dimensional look on the bell and also on the lettering. Alright, so we're done with the project. Thank you to Jay.
Thank you so much.
Awesome work, and looks beautiful. Ready for fishing now. Okay. Yeah. Just the serial numbers left. We're all set to go. So thank you, Jay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Turned out.